Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 electric bike lithium battery. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Ebike Battery. Specifications. Brand name Ebike Power. Capacity 10-20 Ah. Voltage 36 volts. Type Lithium battery. Charger 42 V2A 54.6 V2A. Cycle life 8001000 times. Dimension 360 by 90 by 90 millimeters. Certification CE Rose. Item number 4 is Recharger Lithium battery. Specifications. Brand name Bellicor. Capacity 10-20 Ah. Voltage 36 to 48, 52 volts. Type Lithium battery. Compatible motor 36 volts, 200 to 600 watts. Warranty 12 months. Certification CE. As the item number 3 we've selected electric bike battery. Specifications. Brand name Bellicor. Capacity 10-20 Ah. Voltage 36 volts. Type Lithium battery. Compose type 10S3P, 10S4P. Compatible motor 36 volts, 200 to 500 watts. Warranty 12 months. Charger plug EU, US, AU, UK, etc. Certification CE Rose. Item number 2 is CODDWATTSAMP electric bike battery. Specifications. Brand name CODDWATTSAMP. Nominal volt 24 volts. Rated capacity 40 Ah. Current 50 A. Peak current 100 amperes. Charge voltage 29.4 volts. Discharge cutoff voltage 19.6 volts. Way of charge CC, CV. Cycle life 1600 TIMS. Battery weight 4.5 kilograms. Battery size 390x340x260x80 On the top of our list at number 1 we have Ebike battery. Specifications. Brand name LSM. Nominal capacity 20-25 Ah. Voltage 36, 48, 52 volts. Size 370 by 110 by 90 millimeters. Application electric bicycle. Type Lithium. Weight 4 kilograms.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.